My name is Ibubu Ejirogene. What I'll be showing you today is how to design an image zoom. Here on the screen is a good example of an image zoom. In order to illustrate what we have today, if you hover around these images, you see an example of what I'm saying. As soon as you hover around this image, the image zooms out. So this is the brief example we'll be coding today. So let's just navigate to Dreamweaver and get it done with. So here in Dreamweaver, I'll pull a new file called Zoom. So let's give it a title of Zoom, and the design view, you can see nothing is on the screen. So let's just get started. First and foremost, we have to include the images we're going to be using, and the images are right here in the images folder. So right away, let's just start including them. So open an image tag, img, open the source, browse, I'll just take this image here, close this up, probably give it an alternate text. Give it an alternate text of Google. Then let's go to design view and see what we have there. There we go. We have our image on the screen. I will just copy this to make it quick. Copy this and paste it 2 more times. Then just change preface here to 2, 3, and 4. Let's save and render it to our favorite browser to see what we have there. Right now these are our images here, but they have no styling right now. So let's go back to Dreamweaver and start styling them right away. So just before the closing edge tag here, I'll start my style. Give it the style tag and close it here. So in here, first and foremost, what we're doing is to target these images first and foremost. So before then, before we start styling it, let's give it a class. So I'll just give it a class. Give it a class of small image. Now, before we move on to styling, there's something we need to do first and foremost. We need to duplicate these images twice. So I'll show you the reason right away. Let me just duplicate this. I'll give this one a class of big image. Then also apply a class here. Call it small image. The same here. The same here. The same here. All I need to do is just change the image number. So apply the class here as well. Call it small image. Let's save and preview in the browser again. Here we go. This is what we have here on the screen. We have the images doubled. So first and foremost, and start here, we have to target the small image. So let's give it, since we already give it a class, give it small image. Let's give it a width of 60 pixel. Then height 60 pixel. Let's close that up and let's save and preview in browser. So right away, let's preview in our browser and see what is happening. There you go. This is the small image, the small ones that is already been targeted, and these are the big images that will be showing when it is being overed. Let's go back, continue working on it. Right now, let's target the big image. So let's target the main image itself, which is the big. So right now, all we need to do to it first is to give it a position of absolute, and give it a width of 0 pixel. I will explain that in a little while. The reason it is being given a width of 0 pixel is because we don't want it to show at all when the image is being previewed, except it is overed. So that's why we're giving it that for now. So right now, let's give it the transitional effect. So I'll give it transition, and give it width of 0.3 seconds. Do it at a linear form, 0 seconds. Then give it a Zend index of 10 pixel. So save and preview in my browser again. right now one of the images is not being targeted, so let's see why it is so. Big image, big image, big image. This is the reason this one is having issues here. Let's correct it and review. There you go. All the images are hidden right now, and when you over, nothing is happening. So let's go back and deal with that. So right away, let's give it an over effect. So right now we'll call it small image over, which is selector. Then we have to add a JSON adder, which is this plus symbol here, dot big image, and give it a weight of about 210 pixels and close it. Let's end that there. Let's save and preview the browser. Here we go. See, it's working. On over, the images are working, but there's no transitional effect on it. So let's go back and just add that to our code right here for the transition. It's not working because there are some restraints or constraints to browsers when it comes to transitional effect. So let's just use our WebKit. Just copy this, paste here, then add our WebKit preface here. WebKit, and that should do. Let's save and return back to our browser. Refresh. Wow, that's the transitional effect for the images. Now it's working. So let's also try this in other browsers. Let's just zoom out. Let's try in Chrome. Sorry, my system is a bit slow right now. You have to bear with me. So it's working well in Chrome. Let's also try. See, it's not working. Let's go back to Dreamweaver and add one more prefix to it. Let's copy this transition, add it to it, and give it an OX and NX prefix, which is for Internet Explorer. So let's refresh our browser, see how it works. There we go, it's working now. Thank you for watching. This video helps you in any way, subscribe to our YouTube channel and also visit our website for more videos. Thank you.